Hi, Kayla. Say hi.
Hi.
Say, what do you say when you knock on people's doors?
We're taking her out to trick or treat.
Say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Say trick or treat. Did you get a lot of candy?
Yeah.
What candy did you get? Show us your candy.
Stickers.
You got stickers?
Yeah.
How cool is that? What else did you get?
How cute.
Where's that?
What else did you get?
Okay.
Show us your candy.
Yeah.
Oh, how cool is that? Who gave you the candy?
I don't know.
Your neighbors did? Nice neighbors?
Yeah.
Cool. Do you like your outfit?
Yeah.
Let's make it shine. Here, let's make it shine. Is it uncomfortable? Oh, look! How shiny! You look so pretty. Do you like your hat? Take your hat off. How cool! Put it back on. Are you a witch? You're a funny witch? You're gonna go trick-or-treating with us next year? Are you? Can you do a dance? Can you dance for us? Wow, so cool! Dance! Dance some more!
Me up tomorrow.
Okay, dance some more!
Alright, man.
So funny. So good! You're dancing so cool! Dance, Kayla. Dance some more! That's funny. Okay. Alright. Say bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
What's this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
Wow, so good. Good job.
What's my name? What's my name?
Say Patrick. Patrick. What's my name? Ksenia.
What's my name?
What's my name? Ksenia. Okay, say bye, Ksenia and Patrick. Bye, Ksenia.